you're welcome to this tutorial video today. In today's edition, I'm going to teach you how to use the blackhead machine as a beginner for the first time. Yes, I'm going to teach you what you need to know about blackhead machine. Let me go straight to explain what I want you to know. As I said earlier, this is a blackhead machine that everybody know. So I'm going to show you how to be able to use the blackhead machine as a beginner. So I will tell you some names about some part of blackhead machine as a beginner so that you'll be able to know what they are. This one is called balance wheel in blackhead machine, and this one is stitch. This one that you're seeing, we call it stitch regulator. Remember I said this one is balance wheel. This one is balance wheel, while the stitch regulator regulates the sewing or the level of your stitch when you are sewing. While this one that you are seeing, we call it pressure bar. This very thing you are seeing, we call it pressure bar, while this one is called tension. So the tension helps the pressure bar to draw the thread down to the needle. This is the needle bar, this is the shoe, and this is the needle. So this one is the needle, this one is the needle bar. Remember I said the other one, this one is balance wheel, stitch regulator, then the pressure bar, then the tension. This is the tension. So when you are using the machine, these are the things that you mostly use in the machine, while this one, as I said earlier, is the thread. So for you to use this type of machine, there are so many things you need to use. You need to know how to use. So in your legs, what you use in your legs will go down to where you paddle it. This is where you drop your legs when you want to paddle the machine. So when you drop your leg like this, you paddle it front, back, front, back, front, back. Remember I told you, or if I didn't even tell you, this one on the balance wheel, there is a rope, something like a rope or a belt that connects the balance wheel with the paddle wheel. So as you can see it, as a beginner, this is what you do. So for you to paddle the machine, you go to the balance wheel, you move it 6 o'clock towards your side, like move it down. When you are moving it, you are moving the balance wheel down. The same position you are moving the balance wheel, the same position you're going to move your leg. For example, you are moving it like this, so your leg will be moved same direction you move down. Let's take an example. You are moving down, so you are moving this one too, down, 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 down. Did you see how the thing is moving? So that is how, when you want to move a machine, so this is how you go with it. You move your leg like this, you can check the balance wheel is moving the same direction. So do you see? So that is how you move the machine, forward, not backward. This is backward, while this one is forward. So this is how you use the machine, and the position you are moving the machine, same position you are going to move your legs and the paddle wheel. So I hope you understand the little part of this tutorial about how to know the part of machine and how to move the machine as a beginner. So I'm going to teach you more on the next video, on the next tutorial.